Hello, 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 and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. And talking about opportunities, did you or did you not see the video that I did today? It's about 20 minutes, very interesting, very nice, that I believe you all should go after we finish the live and check the video because it's awesome. Not just because I did as well, but it's very, very nice. So, if it's your first time here, if you're new to the channel, of course, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Crypto optimist. The more you know about crypto, the more optimist you are. Literally, basics. The more you know about Bitcoins, the more you know about DeFi, decentralized finance, the more you understand the universe of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, better you make your decision. And this is something that we've been saying since we start the channel. So if you been following us here, you know that every single time we say, the more you know, you have more knowledge in order to take better decisions when the decisions time come. So we have a nice show to you today. There's not many things happening in the market. We have been up in the green for the past 2-3 days, which is awesome. But don't be foolish by the market because we might be going down. Maybe not. Maybe not. Remember, everything is a speculation, and everything is not to be considered financial advice because we're just two guys, simple guys on the YouTube. All right. Thank you and welcome to the show.
Nice one, guys. Welcome everybody. I'm Papa Beach Brother here. And yes, so there's not much to talk, but there's a lot to talk because at this time, guys, it's a time where we have to remind ourselves of why we are here. Okay, why you are here? Are you here for the long run, or are you here for just now? Like Casca said, knowledge is the best investment you can make on yourself, right? So it's to learn more. And so you're comfortable investing. You're not going to trust anybody else with your money or with your coins. Okay, because sometimes we FOMO in when everything's going up and people talking about, and yeah, it's amazing. I earned so much money, but then you don't know what to do. Then what you do, you're trying to find someone who's in it and then ask them to invest for you. And then of course, many times people invest for you. It's like, they're not willing to wait a long time. Okay, so for example, I've done this for some friends. Yeah, they asked me to invest, and the other day they needed the money, and I said, look, it's the worst time ever for you to get this money. I can withdraw your money from the allocation I did, but you're gonna be losing money. So they decided, to trust me and wait for, when everything picks up again. And I said to them, so actually now it's time for you to invest more, rather than coming out of the market, and because they're totally out of the market, they expect, me to know the what's going on. But like I said, I'm doing this every day, and I'm kind of, know a little bit what I'm doing. So, and I know now it's time to buy. It's not time to sell at all. Okay. And not time to panic. It's time to keep cool. Okay. Actually, maybe not right now. Right now, it's time to buy. But overall, on the long run, now is the time to buy. Okay, guys. It's like it can go down, it can go lower. Yes, it can go lower. But like, most people say, if you buy the Bitcoin at 30,000, when Bitcoin's at 300,000, this won't matter, right? This won't matter. So then we are here for to get Bitcoin at 300,000, 500,000, $1 million. That's what we're here for, okay? And infinite, right? Because actually Bitcoin can fulfill the world's finance because it can break down so many times. Like we can, put infinite zeros after, the dot, and then yeah, then you're gonna have 0.000000001 infinite Bitcoin, which is, it can convert into a dollar once Bitcoin. Because guys, there's a big kind of concern about most people. How can I buy $1 of Bitcoin when Bitcoin is like $1 million, or when Bitcoin's $10 million, let's say like this, okay? When it can cover the whole world finance. Guys, it's just they put zero, 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 keep zero until it becomes like a dollar, okay? Is this going to be viable? That's what people working for. That's why the Light Network is here, okay? So you can send $1 of Bitcoin or spend, and people say, but why would I sell? Why would I think this is very, very hypocrite in one way, guys? Because if you're here from the long run and you want to support the ecosystem, and people say, why would I buy a car with Bitcoin? Because you're gonna buy anyway with fiat, right? You're gonna have to buy somehow with. You're gonna have to pay somehow with something. So if I have $50,000 right now and I'm willing to buy a car and people are willing to sell, why not me buying Bitcoin first, which I support the ecosystem, and then buy my car with that Bitcoin that I just bought? You say, but if there's a big drop. No, guys, you do instant. You buy now and send to the guy straight away. Look, I'm sending this amount of money. You do a pre-deal with Bitcoin. And then you know how much you're giving. And then you're supporting the ecosystem, okay? And then that's how it works. You don't have to have Bitcoin before you do the transaction. Yeah, like for example, especially if you want to do transaction overseas. If you want to send, I want to send Casca. I'm in Brazil now. Casca is in Cyprus, and I want to send Casca like $10. I could send him $10 via PayPal. Yes, cool, okay. But Light Network will be faster and cheaper. $10 by PayPal. It's insane how much money they charge for you. I think there's a limit as well of what you can send. But Lightning Network and Bitcoin ecosystem won't have that. Plus the security of you not losing money. Plus if Kask is already an investor, he won't spend any money buying crypto because I already sent him the crypto that he wants. I just Brasileiro living in Greece. I just received my airdrop from Luna. Haha, 0.07 cents. Oh my god, that's crazy. Everybody receiving the airdrop of Luna, and I haven't received anything yet, guys. It's crazy. And I've been invested in Luna for a long time. Anyway, I need to check my wallet again. So actually, I was staking my Luna on the Osmosis platform, which is on the Cosmos ecosystem. So I'm not sure if they can airdrop me anything, but anyway. So let's forget about Luna. We're like, it's too much. So guys, okay. So let me share my screen today. I'm gonna talk to you because I'm on this part of the talking now. I'm gonna talk to you about this. Okay, how do you wanna play this? Secrets of we've been talking to you about secrets of crypto, and then he made like a nice here. We talked about this like last year to you, and I wanted to bring back again because this is the thing that you have to remind yourself of how things happen. Okay, so basically, he put a investment of $10,000 for altcoiner B and altcoiner A and altcoiner B, and then he explained how they've done it. Okay, you can see that at the point they can make a lot of money, but one point they just go wrong. They still make a good amount of profit from 10,000 altcoiner B to 200,000, which is a nice 20x. But of course, this guy here made pretty much 2000x, and then he's set for life. And then he explains here, this is how successful multimillionaires were made in the previous 4-year cycle. Learn from our experience. My friends and I accumulated altcoins in 2016, comparable to 2020. By 2010, there were 2 types of altcoins that came out of that cycle. So he says, guys, in a 4-year cycle. So that means that from where we are now until 2026, this probably happened to you. If you started in 2020 and you're already in this one of these parts, which most of us aren't really because of the drop, but if you haven't sold, you probably still you can still probably make that happen. Okay, so let's say in 2026 we can make this happen. Okay, so altcoin A believes crypto will be a big part of the future. That's what we want to be, guys. Altcoin B believes crypto is an emerging market where it can make lots of money. And this is the most people here, guys. This is the problem. And this is where we want our family to be on the altcoiners B. So altcoiner A, his altcoins did a 10x in Satoshi's value. During this time, Bitcoin has 3x the in dollar value. he now has $300,000 and he sells 10%. So he's got $300,000 and he takes $30,000 for him. Same thing happened here. Yeah. He now has 300,000. He sells almost all of it. So they both made 10x, 30x here. And now the B sell most of it. Say, oh, I'm going to take all my profit. So this one only sells 10%. He keeps selling 10% of his remaining altcoins as Bitcoin does another 10x. He now has a few $1,000,000. He's upset he sold too early so he's buying the dips near the top. Yeah, and this happens very, very often, guys. We sell thinking we are at the top, and then it goes higher. Let's say he sold here at $40,000, and then it goes to $50,000, and then goes to $55,000. Then we have a drop back to 48. So he just sold for 45, and then he wants to buy 48. So because he thinks it's the dip, right? So and then he buys maybe 48, and then it goes higher. He buys a 50 because he thinks when he goes 48, guys, he thinks he's gonna go to 40 again. That's when he sold for, right? So and then he never goes to 48. He goes to 50, 52, and he keeps buying higher and higher and higher. So he keeps at the end. So he's upset. He sold, and then he still has his 300,000, but both higher price. Okay. This one, number 8, he keeps selling 10% of his altcoins as they do another 10x in Satoshi value. He now has double-digit millions. Okay. So guys, it's very different selling 10% of 2.5 million, right? 2.5 million, 10% is $250,000 he'll sell. Okay. That's how much money he can reinvest. Okay. He could be a multimillionaire. He's trying to make millions by buying ICOs at the peak and the ICO bubble. At first, it seems he's doing well with 500,000. Okay, like remember, we always talk about ICOs, but again, it's something that we need to really stud on it. So then he's realized he can achieve financial freedom and decides to retire with millions of dollars. He still holds tons of altcoins that go minus 90%, 95%, and loses a few $1,000,000 worth of altcoins, but it hardly makes a dent in all the gains he's realized. Okay, he got so much money taking profits here, guys, that he's set for life, even though his altcoins go for 95%, drop 95%. He holds most of his altcoins and they go minus 95% through the bear market. He ends up with a couple $100,000 and thinks he's a genius. I think I'm on that side, actually, guys. That's why I said to you, we need to remind ourselves of this, because this pretty much happened to me. Come on, it happened to me, guys. I should have really have this. Okay, not that amount of money, but yeah, pretty much. I'm in this side here. I'm still feel I'm a genius, but yeah, we're not. So, but it's lesson learned, right? Lesson learned, and we are here to try to teach you how not to do what we already done, guys. We are skin in the game. Me and Casca, we are skin in the game. We've done many ICOs. Of course, we haven't taken the fruits of this ICO because of with the bear market, many of the coins are still to come out. Yeah. So when you buy an ICO, for example, we talked to you about the Cube coin, and Cube coin, we bought an ICO like last year. Beginning of last year, they're going to release only at end of June, July. So we're still in the process of getting the results of those investments. Okay. So I think it's really cool for you to have a look at this. It was really nice. Okay. Another thing is happening. Bitcoin, I think proof of Steve, the core danger, Bitcoin wave 5 is coming. Short-term bulls 138, bears 122, but it could be a bit tighter. 2 months sideways, then Fed pivot, and Bitcoin will rest in peace. So you can see here, guys, that most people are believing that the rally is going to go up a little bit more to about 38. We will have a drop to 22, about 22K, which is, you can see here that the week comes. And then that's how we're going to rise to, he put it here, $153,000. That's what he believes. I think this is a kind of a metric that I am believing at the moment as well. Like Casca keeps saying, that we're probably going to have to reach 22 so we can pick up strength and everybody gets the how long here. I think he put around August time. So we'll see. Hopefully this plays out, because the sooner we play this out, guys, the sooner we come out of this strong bear market and this recession, isn't it? So I think it's a pretty good one to see. So Crypto Rover says, proof Bitcoin whales are always selling into weakness and buying into strength. Okay, guys. So this metric from Glassnode, number address with and more and equal 10,000 bitcoins. This is 10,000 bitcoins, guys. Addresses. Look what happened here. So this is where they are buying, right? They are buying. Look at now today is on one of the highest, guys. Okay, so that means the whales are buying your satoshis. So please do not sell your satoshis. So quick look around the market. Let's see with time. We're good with time. So market cap same as yes, is 1.3 trillion dollars. Not much has gone up. So but still we're holding up at 31,700. Ethereum at 1,951. Guys, keep an eye on Ethereum. Yeah, I keep hearing that Ethereum is gonna drop really hard. So I'm really scared at the moment, because I'm thinking, should I take some profits on my Ethereum to wait for the dip? Should I not? So leave us your comment there. Should I take some profits on Ethereum, or should I just be still? So taking the thing I just said, I think maybe I should take at least 10%, right? Should be a wise thing to do. Although, yeah, 10% of my portfolio is not that much, but yeah. So, guys, everything again is like, having, Cardano after went up 19% on the weekly, went down 6% today. But, many things on the green, many things on the red. Not really much to talk about the market today. So let's see where flow is. 3% on the day. Where's Phantom? Theta, 9% on the week. Oh, that Theta is good, guys. Where's Theta? Just show the 9% in the week. Tor chain, 4% and stabilize. Phantom, 56 position. Oh man, that's insane. So Phantom went low again today, 39 cents on our Phantom. Let's quickly check the winners of the day. Hey, I heard that on I follow the whale notice on Twitter, guys, and they just said some people are really bullish on Tron. So keep an eye on Tron. Chile's doing well. Compound, the graph doing well today. So yeah, these are the biggest winners. I hear a lot of bad things about Tron because of the tokenomics of Tron. So, and I never really looked into it much, but I heard there's some big things coming to Tron. No, my man, look at this Axie Infinity, guys. $22, 10x below its all-time high, guys. 10x below its all-time high. That's insane. Near Protocol at 5. Tor Chain at 3. Avalanche at 25. That's just insane, guys. The opportunities we're having right now is insane. Insane. Okay, Solana at 44. So, guys, yeah, still, anyway, loads of opportunities. You either can DCA now or wait for the pullback. Okay, it's up to you, because the thing about this pullback, guys, we keep waiting them to come, and then the day they come, in front of the screen, and they come quick, guys. They, believe me, they come quick. I think once reach 22, it's gonna fly back up, like happened to 24K. It's just a week. So because there's so much buying order at these levels, I think once you reach 22, it's gonna pop right back up. So if you wanna take the opportunity of that, maybe you leave a buying order on the exchange that you can do that. Okay, I think I'm not sure if crypto.com you can do it, but most of you can do that. Leave a buy-in order. Okay. So yeah, Casca is with you. Thank you very much, guys. Again, leave us your comment about your strategy. Are you following the altcoiners B or altcoiners A from the strategy shown today?
Yeah, I think Papa said everything today. I think the strategy there of A and B, this is it. You have to see, like we've been saying this for a long time, where you sit as an investor in the crypto space. If you see now, and the reason why we are so optimistic about crypto is because we believe in the future of financial system will be crypto and the blockchain technology. So again, we bring here everything we find with as a good opportunity. I done a video earlier on, like I said before. Check it out. It's very nice about a project called Safur Rocket. It's very interesting. Again, of course, before invest anything, do your own research. Make sure it's something that goes within style of invest if it's something for you. But it's exactly what Pop said. There is so many opportunities out there now, guys, and now is the time to make the money. And when things start to go up, you have to be the smart guy. Follow the smart plan of just sell 10% and then another 5% and then another 10%. And then you need to have that plan in order not to get wrecked. And in the end, believe that you are a genius, that you are not. So basically, if you follow that, if you're gonna do any sort of trade, make sure. I don't think now it's time for trade or anything like this. If you do, be careful. Do it smart so you can make some money, you can earn some good money. And if you're not trading, do some things that we are doing. Stake for you to get yields, to get more tokens, to get rewards, and like this, to instead of your money sitting getting dust, your money can make more money for you. And that's the whole point of crypto, right? Making money. And if you can combine those with other things like saving the planet, helping other people, of course, that will be awesome, amazing, and will be very nice. Anyway, today we done 22 minutes. I think it's one of our fastest show. Today my video is 20 minutes. Guys, but there's not many things out there. The only thing we do to you is trade well, do your own research, and make sure that you know and you have the knowledge about the subject or project that you are intending to invest your money. All right. And we see you guys in another video or in another live. Ciao.